Okay, Squeakums. If we had 3 candies and we were going to share them,
Okay.
how many would we each get?
Well, you would probably take 2 and give me 1.
No, I wouldn't. I don't want to take 2 and give you 1. I want it to be equal. How can we share 3 candies equally?
Um, each get 1 and then break 1 in half.
We could break 1 in half. That would be perfect. But Squeakums, I don't want to use decimals and I don't want to use fractions. No halves, no decimal fives, nothing like that. Just equal whole pieces of candy.
Well, we can't. If there's 3, we each get 1 and that's it.
That's right. You know what, Squeakums? That's exactly right. That's all it is with division and remainders.
What?
Yeah. If you divide something equally and you have some left over that wouldn't be fair to give to somebody, it would make it uneven or unequal, then we call that a remainder. So if there were 3 candies, you got 1 and I got 1, there would be 1 left over. So the answer to that division problem,
You're going fast.
no, you can watch the video again, Squeakums. If there are 3 candies divided by 2 people, we each get 1 and there's 1 left over. So another way to think of it, grade 4, you could draw the picture. You could put a Squeakums and a Mr. Hagel and put marks down for each candy. If you had 20 candies or 30 candies or 51 candies, and you could draw all those different places out, you would end up having some left over that you can no longer share equally. Because if there's 2 of us, we need at least 2 candies to share them. Make sense?
Yeah.
So if we had 5 of us, if there was you and me and 3 other people, how many candies would we need minimum so that we each get 1 candy?
If there's 5, we need 5 candies.
Yeah, we would need at least 5 candies. So if we each wanted 2 candies, Squeakums, we would need
10.
Yeah, you're getting better at math. If there were 10 candies, all 5 of us could have 2 each. Now, if there was 11 candies, could we each have 3?
No.
No. Why not?
Because it's only a little bit more than 10. There's not enough.
Yeah, there's not enough. Exactly right, Squeakums. So another way you can do it, if drawing is fine, if you're finding drawing is taking a long time, or maybe drawing is just doesn't match what your brain wants to think about, you can think about straight multiplication facts or division facts. If you're dividing by 5 with 5 friends, you can think of a product that is divisible by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And if your problem is something like 11 divided by 5, you know that 10 is the closest number to 11 that's just below 11 that can be divided equally. So if you know 10 divided by 5,
2.
then you know that 11 divided by 5 would be 2, but 1 left over because it's not 10, it's 11. It's kind of tricky. Start with drawing, grade 4. After you draw a whole bunch of times, I think you'll start to see the patterns show up. So page 302 to 304 wants you to draw arrays. We've done that before in class where we draw rows and columns and they're all equal. But today in page 303, 304, you're going to have unequal. So eventually you'll have a row or a column that only has a few pieces in it. That's your remainder. Okay? Give it a shot. You know I'll be on Teams if you need any help.